Once again, welcome to Crypto Victoria community, ladies and gentlemen. Before starting the review of this amazing platform, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So guys, let's start review now. Welcome to the Dove Coin. Today I describe about this unique and awesome project which is about Dove Coin. Dove Coin. So I describe about each and everything, and I placed all official links in my video description. You have to simply click and you get this website, this interface like that. So here today I describe about how you can buy this token and how you can hold and you can participate in their airdrop and you can get rewards about each and everything. So before starting the review of this amazing platform, I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research before investment. So let's start the review now. What is the Dogecoin? Dogecoin project basically draws inspiration from the symbol of peace. It provides peace to the community. The dove it aims to bring transparency and truth into increasing complex and unpredictable world of cryptocurrency. Basically, the major aims of Dogecoin is to the provide peace and transparency to the world of the cryptocurrency. So here is the detail of contract address of the Dogecoin. You have to simply copy this and you can buy this token. So guys, here is the basic vision and mission of this platform, and there are two basic mission and vision of the Dogecoin. It's provide the large media outlets which manipulates all about the information, and this coin seeks to provide a space for a lot of people, and it also shares about the truth. And second is the mission is Twitter with the active participation of Elon Musk has become a platform where information is exchanged freely and transparently. So Dovecoin aims to expand this vision and create a strong community on Twitter account where they support basically truth and about transparency. So here are their all social medias account. You have to must follow their communities, Telegram and Twitter account. So this is the total supply, tax structure and benefits of the Dogecoin. Here you can see their total supply, also their about burn which is 50%, and about their pre-sale amount which is 27%, liquidity which is 12%, and airdrop basically is 2% which is live now, and you have to must participate in their airdrop rewards. So guys, here is the all implementation and 9% tax on every buy and also in sell transactions. So creating an economically balanced and sustainable systems. So there are 3% for holders and also 3% for marketing budget and also 3% for buybacks of the burns. Guys, this is the airdrop campaign and community building program of Dovecoin. Dovecoin not only focus on project development, but it also emphasize their community size building, and it creates large community and also produce a peace in the peoples. So here is the airdrop basically which is 2% of tokens, and this is distributed among 1000 selected members who complete social media tasks. So guys, you have to join their Twitter account and you have to invite your friends. You have to simply click their task and you can get their airdrop, and you have to become the those people which are 1000 in. You have to select it on these members. So guys, please participate in their community and encourage this and participate you and your families, your friends, and invite all of the other peoples on this amazing platform. So guys, these are our partners: Dex Screener, Dex Tools, Pink Sale and Rhythm. These are the basically partners of the Dovecoin, and here is the all about roadmap of the Dovecoin, where they describe about the all past and future development about of Dovecoin. So here you can see they're all about the marketing campaign, they're about communities, their pre-sale, which is when launched, influencers marketing when they are listed on CoinGecko, Coin Market Cap, and these are the all about the coin Dovecoin platform. So guys, here is their white paper. Also, if you have to any question and query, so you can download their white paper and you can read all about their vision mission, which I have already described. Also their structures, benefits, all of are the described in their white paper also. And here is their Telegram community. You have to must join this, and you can get all upcoming news and information about the Dovecoin in their Telegram community. So guys, here is the Twitter official account of the Dovecoin. I am following this, so you have to must follow this. And guys, this is the big announcement about airdrop, which is now continue, and I have already you have to describe. There is almost 1000 members, first 1000 members, they have participated in their social media task, and they can play doing simple task and get rewards and profits. So you must join this and you can get reward from this amazing platform. So I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching.